TRICO Silicone ceramic 22-inch replacement blades are outstanding. The windshield wiper technology has jumped forward hundreds of years. This is totally different than the same windshield wipers that we've been using for the last 50 years and most people use up until now. This is really proprietary technology that they use on Alfa Romeos and Porsche Cayennes and these really like super new model cars like this one. And it's totally different because it grips to the window. It helps with UV rays, it helps with crazy weather conditions. It's really almost like a robotic arm. It's like being inside a car wash. It's like such a tight seal between the actual blades and the window itself that it gives you like, it feels like a mechanical, like a commercial wipe. It's just such a cleaner, clearer wipe than the blades that we grew up with. So if this replacement arm is compatible with your car, invest a little bit extra because like I said, it's hundreds of years beyond the technology that we're used to.